Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Susnul Timarani. I'm from PBA, so I want to reading about the work of the village medicine, and modern doctors. In most urban and suburban areas throughout the world, sick people are taken to a doctor office or to a hospital for treatment, but among tribal and village people in many countries, pensions are taken instead to a local medicine. This medicine is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his work methods are similar to those of a urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in methods is a result of the fact that disease to the modern significant mind is few something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we can see without microscope. By contrast, in most of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead the result of deep anger. Local religion laws, the head of enemies, and so on, and urban physicals know how to treat a specific disease. Medicine, however, treats the whole person and often the patient's family and friends as well. Uh, Next, prevention of disease. Of course, there may be so need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physical might tell his patient who to eat, how much exercise, when, and how to relax, and the like a medicine on the other hand tells he patient to wear amulets, special necklace for protection against bad spirit. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people become tree and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis, the first step is any treatment, of course, is this diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine has to find out why the patient is tree, decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis about symptoms, is the patient complain about hunches, stomach access, insomnia, skin rings, but the similar in the methods and the air. The doctor takes step is to give blood test, take X-ray, while the medicine include supernatural methods and use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the star, or go into trance, a condition of deep contraction in which he doesn't function normally, is a effort to contact spirits or other beings outside the world. Next, the cure. After the diagnosis comes to cure. In modern medicine, in the solution usually means on one or more of the following the same methods. They are use prevention, helpful food, rest, exercise, perhaps a warm beds or message drunk or surgery. Like with folk medicines include some of the same cures as the diagnosis. However, medicines may also use a wide variety of supernatural methods. In cures, two of the most common are exorcisms and soul hunts. Exorcism is based on the belief the disease is caused by a bad spirit. Thus, its exorcism ceremony, the medicine perform a number of traditional activities to take the evil beings out the victim's body. Songs, dance, and religions prayers are part of any exorcism, and soul hunts include them as well. In the ceremony, the medicine tries to freshen the victim's soul, which are believed to have left their bodies to return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Nembu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of relative friend or enemy. There's emotion they say cause a tooth to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and treat disease when the medicine decides which body part contains the evil tooth. He calls together the victim relatives and friends to watch a ceremony and the end of which is removes it from the patient room or like stomach etc. Although the patient and the village know what happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine mouth the whole time the patient is uh, often cured. The Nembu ceremony is typical of treatment around the world, in which stories inside or small spear are taken out of sick people. Despite significance effective that disposes the effective of soul such methods, the fact remains that the treatment are often successful and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than be a modern physician. Uh, the success of medicine. Science asks how medicine can actually be successful in the treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in combination of the following reason. First, supernatural ceremony are symbolic and the people who practice in them believe deeply in the symbol. Even Western physical agree that patients with deep pains believe in God, their doctor, the drug they take, image or symbolism with regard their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremony may be effective because people come together for a common goals. Patients see how many people in the communication care about the cure. In addition, the communal meeting provides socially acceptable opportunity for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychology problems can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, for science, the trans part of the ceremonies produce certain chemical in the body, which is then work to help to cure this disease. Finally, many of the medicine's natural drug, which is come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medical effective. Science are fascinated by what they learn from the methods of tribal medicine. I think this enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.